Welcome back, everyone. In the last video, we learned how to target a class and all its subclasses using the plus operator. Now, in this video, we are going to take a completely different approach. What if you want to cover all classes present in a specific package? Not one class. Not a class hierarchy. Every single class inside a package. Think about a real application. Your service layer has user service, order service, payment service, email service, notification service, many classes. All in the same package. With specific class targeting, you would need a separate point cut for each one. Not practical. With plus operator, you need a base class relationship. Not always available. But with package level targeting, one single expression covers every class in the entire package. No base class required. No individual class names needed. In this video, I am going to target all classes present in the service package. And first, I am going to remove the extends base service from order service. Why am I doing this? Because I want to demonstrate that package level targeting works independently of inheritance. Order service will no longer extend base service. Instead, it will be a completely standalone class. Alright, let's open logging aspect. Now, we want to cover all classes in the com.gan.derpun.service package. The syntax is simple. Write the full package path, followed by a dot, followed by asterisk. Alright, look at the screen. Look at the selected declaring type. com.gan.derpun.service.* means, match any class directly inside the service package. Now, you will notice there are two asterisk wildcards after the package path. Let me clarify exactly which one does what, because this is where beginners get confused. First asterisk, right after service. This is for the class name. It means any class in the service package. Second asterisk, after the dot following the class name, this is for the method name. It means any method inside that class. Let's start the application. Let's hit the user service API. Alright, look at the console. Aspect fired for user service. Next try for order service. Alright, look at the console. Aspect fired for order service. In a real enterprise project, your service package might have 50 classes. With service.*, one point cut covers all 50. Add a 51st tomorrow, automatically covered. That is why this is the most popular declaring type pattern. Alright, now it is your turn. Create a new class in a different package, not in service package, and see what happens. Try it. Share your findings in the comments. And that brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, we will cover subpackage targeting. So make sure you do not miss that. If this video helped you, please like it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.